Hello dear friends, today I want to share some information about Extreme Pronitron. Friends, Extreme Pronitron is a detector that operates based on ID resonance values between 0 and 99. It's a device. Hey friends, the antennas look good. Allow me to explain, my friends. This particular device should not be considered a toy under any circumstances. It is not just a template, and it definitely does not involve any falsehoods, deception, or ridiculous notions. To truly comprehend and witness this, you must personally examine all the materials in the actual setting. Ensure that you operate the device correctly to validate your understanding. Friends, there is a perception I want to correct. That device is expensive. It is very nice. It is very good. It works. That's not true, friends. The reasoning is flawed. There's no such thing as that device being expensive or cheap or bad, friends. I want to create this video to correct that thinking. Friends, let me tell you, Extreme Pronitron is a globally economically viable device. It's truly exceptional in its affordability. Is this device considered bad? Absolutely not, my friends. It is not bad at all. See, friends, devices that cost 10 times more than this one do not work as effectively as Extreme Pronitron. It won't work. It's been twisted, it's been graphed. Who knows what else? You see, the device is produced as a result of very professional R&D efforts. We only sell this device after it has successfully passed field tests without exception. Every effort is made to maintain the meaning of the sentence. As a company, when we see our device successfully tested in the field and receive feedback from our customers, it truly makes us happy. We take great pride as a company in this accomplishment. And it will make us proud. Therefore, Extreme Pronitron is an incredible device that individuals utilizing it in the field can personally witness and experience firsthand. It's crucial to emphasize that it is not exclusive to treasure hunters. I want to stress that it is inclusive of others as well. It's for top-level professional mineral researchers. This high-grade detector is widely employed by clandestine investigators who operate underground for their research. It's a searching and locating detector. So, friends, without taking too much of your time, I will also talk about the screen, but in the next video. Take care of yourselves and stay healthy.